is so good. Look how yummy this is. Like, my kids made this. Trooper, are you ready to cook with the kiddos?
Yep.
Trooper, you gotta put your chef hat on. You gotta spread kindness, bud. Yeah, look at the little cut. Hey, you little monsters, because this is on our daughter's page. So this vlog is gonna be cooking with the kiddos, episode 2, because we already have an episode 1 that's over on Me Love YouTube. Why are you playing shy, Matt? So this is the crew. Everybody's ready. Everybody's in their apron. Thank you guys for joining us. This is going to be so great because we're getting ready to start a series that's going to, let me make sure I'm looking at the camera. It's going to be called Cooking with the Kiddos, and it's going to be here on the Kids YouTube channel. And originally was named Mimi Monsters, but it's
MEMADDNMARS.
And why is it MEMADDNMARS?
Because I have to share a channel with them.
Yeah, because she's about to share her channel, which is going to be all of their channels. Oh, okay. Troopy said bye. So this book, we scanned through it and we found like our good recipes. We're gonna pretty much make everything in this book. Melissa, you gotta look at the camera, baby. So we're pretty much gonna make everything in this book, but we're gonna put our own little twist on it. And what is that gonna be, girls?
Organic?
Yes, organic. We eat organic, mostly organic. I want to say 90% of what we eat is organic, literally. So we want to put that twist on it, and we're gonna follow the recipe to our best ability, but sometimes we might switch it up and do our own little thing. Maddie's trying to put the little chef hat on Troopy. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's gonna be a series that you guys can come here and watch. If you guys follow us over on Me Love YouTube, then you know, because I announced it to this channel, and I'm really excited. This is something that the kids have been waiting for to do. So I think like every Friday we're going to be cooking something out of this cookbook or something that is our recipe book.
Yummy.
Yeah, it does look yummy. That's what we're making today, actually.
SoYummy.
Yeah, we're actually making, oh baby, don't fall. We're actually making this one today. Yeah, we're actually making these too. That's right on the cover. Yeah, so we already bought all the ingredients. They're over here behind us. I'm gonna zoom in on it and explain to you guys what everything is. So here are all of our lovely organic ingredients that we will be using for this video. Right here, oh, the pots and plants as well. But right here is the pasta that we're gonna be using. You can find it at Costco's. Find the spinach at HEB. Most of the seasonings are from Costco's or HEB because they have a great selection for organic ingredients. Here are tomatoes from HEB. Whipping cream is HEB. The 2 different types of butters. They're both organic, but that one's more of a vegetable spread. Here's the garlic, the salt and pepper, and yeah, everything we need. Here we go. All right. So another little thing that I'm going to be doing with the kiddos is whoever is going to be my helper for the vlog or for the cooking episode is going to match me. So, how should I do this? Youngest versus oldest, oldest versus youngest. All right, one team, one dream. One team, one dream, but my helper today is going to be Maddie because she's the oldest and she helped me write down the ingredients that we're going to be using. Okay, and then it's going to be you, and then it's going to be you, and then it's going to be brother. So, come on, Maddie, yay! So, turn around so Mommy can help you.
First you put the shrimp in the bowl, and then you
put it in the strainer.
And then you rinse
You drain it one more time. And then you rinse it one more time. Yeah. So we're showing them right now. We're rinsing it all off. Yeah, get so clean. Yeah, girl. And then what we do next, Matt?
Then we're going to drain it.
Make sure all the water is off. Yeah, good job, Maddie.
So right now I'm putting some water in the pan.
So we can make pasta.
So we can make pasta.
Yeah.
Turn it on.
Turn the stove on. And you want to make sure that water gets hot, huh?
Yes.
So it can boil the pasta.
Yeah.
Here's the close-up of the SoYummy book. I do recommend getting this book. This video is not sponsored. I just bought this on the whim because I was seeing so much delicious stuff on Instagram. But anyway, this is the pasta we're making. We just called our spinach pasta with shrimp. It's really easy to make. That's the butter I wanted to use, but Melissa wanted to use that butter because the other one's like a vegetable spread and that's like actual butter. So right here I'm just showing you the different size that you would want to use. We actually end up using the whole stick of butter, but like in different sections. I had to cut a little bit of the butter first so we can throw it in the pan so we can get the garlic all nice and sauteed, and then after that we do the shrimp in. So let's dive in here to show you guys what all we did. Look how nicely the water was bubbling up. The girls were so excited. Next, we're going to add the pasta in. Maddie really wanted to do this. She was like, "Hiya!" and pasta like flew everywhere. I just love cooking with the kids. It's just nice to be able to teach them things, and you know, this is something so small you can do with your kid, but yet so grand. We all had a great time this day.
Right now I'm putting in the shrimp.
Yeah, did you like how squishy those shrimp were?
Yes.
Were they yummy?
Yes.
Yeah, we're soaking them in all that nice garlic.
Yep.
Why are you wearing the glove? Is it to protect you?
Yes.
This is nice. Did you have fun this day?
Yes.
I'm glad. You can't wait till we do another episode with Cooking with the Kiddos?
Yes.
All you know how to do is say yes?
Yep.
So right here, I'm just chopping up some onion to add a little flavor to this pasta. I am obsessed with onions. As the kids are getting older, they just figured we better start liking onions because mom is just gonna put it in everything. Maddie, can I get thumbs up? Get them gathering all in the middle. Spinach. Need help opening it?
Yes.
I'm getting ready to transfer everything we just whipped up into another pan. Now, you don't have to do this. The book does call for it to be cooked all in one pan, but we decided to put it in a bigger pan because we're making a larger portion. Whereas I think the book only calls for 2 people for this meal, and we're making for 4 or 5 people. Right now we're adding in the whipping cream. Now I'm pretty sure it's a measurement for this, but we eyeballed it. I kicked it old school how my papa and how my mom used to do.
Oh my god, this is my first time chopping tomatoes. I'm so excited.
What are you doing? I gotta teach you guys how to chop some tomatoes. Mine's not so bad though.
Yeah, she's actually really good.
Yeah, not too shabby for your first time. We'll get better. So right here, we're just adding all of our organic seasoning in there. I'm telling Matt to slow down because she's whipping it so fast. She's spilling everywhere. But you guys, as you can already see, it's about to be so yummy. Melissa's getting ready to put a little pinch of salt and pepper. I usually don't like to cook with salt, but the kids wanted to use it for this dish. I was like, okay, it's okay, only a little pinch of it, because high blood pressure does run in my family. My dad suffers from high blood pressure, so I just try not in no way to cook with salt or buy things that have a lot of sodium in it. Now, baby girl, she begged me to let her do the pinch. So as you seen, she did her little pinch. And the pepper that she used is so bold. Let me tell you guys, you can find that at Costco's. It's not organic, but it's pure and 100% pepper, so it's really bold. It ain't like that stuff you find in store. And as you can see, she's heavy-handed with the seasoning. She is her mother's child.
Okay, little monsters. Then you're gonna add in your cooked shrimp.
Well, look at your sister still in a shrimp.
Then you want to mix it in well with all the bold ingredients, just to give you that nice little pop of flavor.
Yes, girl. Look at Melissa. I'm gonna have to tell her you're not supposed to be eating and cooking. You can wait till after. Oh my God, I remember when we took the pasta out, it was like one big plop, and I had to like separate it. It was a hot mess. See? Get them all up. Oh. Okay, put some on there. All right, put some on. And mix it up.
Can you hold the pan?
All right, and it's all done. Let's see. It's ready, girls. What do you think?
It smells like so good.
It looks yummy.
I want to eat it.
All right, now let's make our plates. Now, y'all, I'm not saying this because these are my kids, but they got off on this. This is so good. I'm not over here to promote like the SoYummy book or anything, but I think it is a great cookbook to have when you're trying to cook with kids, because you see how simple the ingredients were. And this is bomb. Of course, we did our own little seasoning, you know, what I had in that little, you know, in this little container. That's my own little mix of stuff. It is salt and pepper, organic salt and pepper, but I also put, you know, a little, you know, of my stuff in it. Melissa's in the back. This is so good. Look how yummy this is. Like, my kids made this, and it is bomb. I had to put my braid up because it kept slapping me in the face. There it is. I was like, But my kids got off on this. This is so yummy. We're actually about to get ready to do another vlog like today of cooking with the kiddos, and it's gonna be baking. So after we finish eating, because we didn't want it, like, our food to get cold, so after we finish eating, we are going to bake that. And so stay tuned, because we got peanut butter and buttercream. So you know it's about to be good.